Welcome back to the channel, guys. Quick update. Gonna have a look at some of these babies. Ooh, easy, mommy. Yep. This girl's nursing 3 babies. Yep. Easy. Easy, tiger. Easy, tiger. Easy, tiger. Easy. Yeah, guys. We're just doing a quick short update. Gonna have a look at some of these babies. Ooh. It's a lovely mealy. Yes. Nice bird. Nice big bird. You're a nice big bird, ain't ya? So, I got pee on my finger. Ooh. You leave the nest. Okay, I don't want you out the nest. Alright, stay in your nest box. Okay, so this guy has problems. So down here, I've got another pair of reds. So this guy has 3 babies. He's got that one there, and he's got these 2. So these pair of babies was meant to be Vandenbosch cross Mansu, but for some reason the Staffan Reed got to my Vandenbosch hen, and now I've got 2 mealy babies instead of a Vandenbosch and a Mansu cross, which is best kittle and kittle. So Mr. Best Man over there, you're not the dad. Sir, you're not the dad. How did you make that happen, sir? Huh? Can you tell me how did you make that happen, sir? So, here's the mom. As you can see, blue bar and blue bar. So, the only mealy cock I've got in here is him. So at some point he got to her and they mated. And we've got 2 babies down there. Alright. So buddy, you're not the dad for no babies, sir. So next round, make sure you get her pregnant, sir. Okay? Right, here's one of the young birds. I bred this one. That's the nest mate right there. This is my rainy day. Euro diamond, bushard. Here we got another young bird, Viking bird. This was bred for me by Steve Holloway, my club secretary. These are long distant birds. And here's the nest mate to that one there. There you go. Now you wanna, now he's fighting. Come here, buddy. Silly boy. When you're meant to be fighting, you're not fighting for your mate. Now you want to fight. Look at you. Come. Yes, so anyway guys, please like, share and subscribe. I'll be showing you another video soon. Alright? So bye Starman. That's the best kibble. Silly bird. Silly bird. Bye guys.